Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm joined by Dario. He's going to help me show you guys a few of the bags that we currently have right now that we think you guys will like.
Yes.
Dario's pulled a few of his favorite bags at the moment and he's going to share them with you. So we'll start out here with this Willis bag. We just listed it in the online store. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up. What's great about this Willis bag is it's in the rare or hard to find color called bamboo. And this Willis is in really nice vintage condition. This is the first bag in the color bamboo that I've personally ever seen, like in person. So I would say it's a really nice find. And then Dario, what do you have there?
This is a Camel Willis bag.
Yeah,
So this is a comparison of the color. This is a Camel, and this is a
bamboo. Yeah, they're very similar as you can see, but a little bit different. We have, I think, 3 or 4 camel colored Willis bags right now. For some reason, we've found a few of those in that color, but this is the only one that we've found in bamboo. And my understanding is bamboo is a lot less common than camel. So this is a nice find if you're looking for a Willis in this color. Okay, so here's what the Willis looks like when I'm wearing it. So as you can see, it's a nice crossbody fit, crossbody strap, and the strap is adjustable.
Yeah,
right
very
here.
cute. Okay, this one was just posted into our website.
Yeah.
So it comes with that.
And we'll leave a link below to all of the bags and our website if you're interested. But anyway, that's this Willis bag.
I have this one. This is the core bag in navy blue, right?
Yep, it's a quart bag. So what do you like about this bag?
It's I like the size. I like the I like how it feels, and it also has a body strap, right?
A crossbody
Crossbody
strap.
strap. Yeah.
You like kind of how the leather feels?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
And
yeah.
This is a very good condition.
All the
as
full
well.
grain leather is really nice.
And
This
I
one's
like
in
that
a-
it has this. Sorry.
the top handle, and the color is a really nice navy blue. And what's also great about the quart bag is that it's, I think, more of like a medium size. So it's not like too small, but it's also not too large. So I think this is a really great kind of everyday bag. So that's the quart.
I like the color of it.
The color is really nice. Yeah, the navy blue looks really nice with the brass hardware. That's true. This is brass hardware.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like when I'm wearing the quart bag. So here is the quart bag.
Now I'm going to show you a few of the ones that I like. I like this one. I like this one. Somehow I like the color. Is like, what is it? A Spectator.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a navy blue with white or bone. I think it's white.
It's white. Yeah.
And it also has a adjustable strap, right?
Adjustable strap.
And it comes with the hand tag.
So I'll show you real fast. He was mentioning the adjustable strap, which is right here, this little buckle. Okay, so then this is the Spectator pocket purse. And like he mentioned, it's in navy and white. And here's what the back looks like. It does have a back pocket, which is really nice. And it's got multiple inside pockets. I think it's got 2 on the inside as well. So the pocket purse has a lot of pockets.
All right.
And then here I'll show you what it looks like when it's being worn.
It's cool.
Yeah, so that's the Spectator pocket purse.
I also like this one. This is it comes with this is I don't know. It's a red.
It's a Janice's legacy bag. Yeah.
I was gonna say Patricia, but it's like no, it's not a Patricia. It's like
It's okay.
It's a legacy bag.
Close enough. Janice's legacy.
Janice legacy. Yeah. And then it has
the hang tag.
Hand tag. It's nickel hardware. It comes in an adjustable strap as well, right?
The strap is adjustable here on the sides.
On this side, both
on both sides. Yeah. Good.
Yeah,
Good
and it has a zipper.
The zip top closure.
Yeah, it has a zipper. Yeah.
a zipper on the top.
Does he have any? Hold on, does he have any like? Oh, it doesn't have. Oh yeah, it does have.
It has a little slip pocket on the inside.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Not very easy to show on camera right now,
Yeah.
but it does have one small pocket. Okay, and then here's what it looks like when I wear the bag.
This won't be too long to.
I think it's more of a shoulder bag.
Shoulder bag, right?
Yeah, technically you kind of could wear it as a crossbody,
Yeah.
but I think it's better as a shoulder bag.
Okay.
Maybe it depends on your height and how long your torso is.
Yes.
I have
Okay.
more of a long
Good.
torso. Okay.
Then we have this other one. This is Chester, red Chester bag.
Chester bag. Yeah.
It also has a zipper on top. It comes with a hand tag as well. It's one-sided hand tag, and it comes with it also has a zipper. Oh, and it also has a inside pocket with a zipper.
Pocket with a zipper.
Yeah, it's hard to show, but
Yeah.
but it's there. Yeah.
You can look at the
Pictures,
individual
Yeah.
listings to see
Okay.
more of the inside.
Also adjustable strap. The hardware is
Brass.
brass. Yeah. I like that it's a color red. It's kind of red is kind of goes with a lot of things. It's a great color. So yeah. What else? We have this other packet purse, right? In white. Yeah. Just a comparison with the other color, just to see, that's a white and this is like a Spectator white and navy blue.
Yeah.
Nice comparison, like the color. It's very nice.
Right.
It does come with a hand tag. It does.
This one does.
Yeah,
Yes.
the hand tag. This is not adjustable though. This is the strap. Yeah, that's the difference between this one and that one. This one has adjustable strap. This one doesn't. So.
Some of the pocket purses came with adjustable
Yeah.
straps, and some of them didn't. They had different iterations of the strap
Yes.
at different points. I will say with the pocket purses, another nice feature is that you can take off the strap and you can just carry it as a clutch too. So it's
Yes.
nice. It's like a 2-for-1.
Yep, it's beautiful. Yeah, I want to show you this because I think people don't look at the white bags, but they're like beautiful. It'd be nice to go for like a wedding or something, right? Or any kind of events that you have a white, event,
That's true. Like
Yeah, any kind of like.
it'd be a nice bag for like a bride.
A bride.
bag. Yeah, that's true.
Or a bridesmaid too.
If white's in the color.
Yeah. And then the last thing we have a few of these Willis bags. Let me show them. We have can you hold this one? We have a few more. So these ones are a few the other ones that we had. This is the black. This is a navy blue. This is
Brown. It's a mahogany.
mahogany. Yeah.
Mahogany brown.
So yeah. So we have a few. I'll just to compare the colors. Can you go that way? Yeah. So as you see. This is the bamboo. This is
Navy blue.
Navy blue. I thought it was black. Which one was the black?
This is the black.
No, they're both navy blue. They look navy blue to me.
We do have. Oh yeah, maybe this is the navy one.
Yeah, they're both navy.
This is navy. I'm sorry.
This is navy too.
They're both navy, but this one I'm holding is navy with nickel hardware, and that one is navy with brass hardware.
Yeah, let me see. Let me get you a black one. Okay, I was like, this is black. This is not black. This is the black. Yeah, this is the black.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see. Maybe I can put it like this. I can put it like this so you can see exactly. So, what do you have? Mahogany.
Mahogany.
Navy blue. This is the bamboo, and this is the black one. Yeah. So
they all have straps too.
Yeah, they all have
That
straps.
one-
They're inside.
The one, yeah, it's inside.
They're all inside. Yeah, but they all come with a. Looks like they all come with a hand tag. They all have they all have a hand tag.
Yeah,
it
this
looks
one
like-
does.
Yeah,
but
they all
it's
have.
behind.
Yeah, so they're very nice. This was we have many of these, and they're all posted on our website. So yeah, if you are interested, we just wanted to share the bags with you and how many we have. We have a lot of the Willis, a lot of the. We also have a few of the pocket purses, and we also have a few of the station bags.
We have a lot of station
Yeah,
bags, as you can see back there.
Yeah, I really like one of my favorites is station bag. Oh yeah, let's just compare one of the station bags with like this one. Maybe you can compare this two. This size of this is a station bag. We can is similar in size, but it's just totally different model, different. I don't know. It's just station bag, station. I don't know how to explain the station bag.
Okay, they're a little bit different sizes. As you can see, they're different silhouettes. This is more of a square. The Willis is more of a square.
Yeah, and this one's
shape.
more like
I mean, not a
rectangular.
perfect square, but it's a little more square
This is
shaped.
more rectangular.
This is more rectangular.
Yeah.
But they both have a really nice feature, which is they have the top handles.
Yes.
The station bag, can you turn it back around, please? There's no pocket on the back, where the Willis has a very large slip pocket on the back, which is nice.
But I really like the station. I don't know why. I really like
They
it.
both have the tab here and then the turn lock closure. And then they both have like detachable straps, but obviously the hardware is different. On the Willis, it's on top, and on the station bag, it's on the sides.
So this is like beautiful. We have a few of them, anyways.
I would say the station bag, in my opinion, is more of a shoulder bag, whereas the Willis, I see it a lot more. Well, it's just kind of irrefutably a crossbody, I would say. So,
Anyways.
the station's a little smaller too than the Willis. Yeah, you could kind of wear it as a crossbody, but it's a little shorter for that than the Willis has got a longer crossbody strap, as you can see.
Can you come in? Back to back.
Okay. What are you doing? Okay. This is our CEO, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm just having fun with you.
So anyway, that's the Willis bag.
Yeah, these ones come with adjustable. This one doesn't look like it. Do they have some of them that have
I want
adjustables?
to say some of them, I think, do. I can't remember off the top of
This
my
one's got
head.
no
I'm pretty sure some
adjustable.
station bags do come with adjustable straps,
Yeah, I'm just
if I
checking
remember
here.
correctly, but
Let's check it here. Oh yeah, you're right. This one,
Yeah.
This one, it looks like most of them don't come with someone like this one does come with an adjustable strap. It's pretty cool. Adjustable, you can adjust the strap right here. So right here with this.
well, they made different straps for
Yeah.
some bags at different years. So
Yeah.
you might find one station bag with one strap and another with a different strap, and they're all correct.
Yeah.
But they're just, like original to the bag, but they're just
Yes,
from
exactly.
different time periods.
Yeah. So this one has an adjustable strap, like you can adjust it here.
But see, even that strap is not as long as the crossbody on the Willis bag.
Yeah, but it's like good. That you
Yeah, you can adjust it. I'm just saying, I think it's more intended to be a shoulder bag, I think. But this one is a little longer than the last one.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so it's nice.
Yeah.
You have
Let's see.
options.
My hips don't like this.
Okay.
No, I like it. This is a good good
Yeah,
bag.
it's a very classic look.
Yeah, very classic,
Very,
you know.
very
I
nice.
feel like an Italian guy. The Italian guys, they all, when you go to Italy, they all have like their bag. Most of them. That is so
Like a messenger bag.
messenger bag. Yeah, this is a good.
That looks nice. Looks sharp.
Okay, good. All right.
Dario appreciates my picture.
Yeah. So anyway, we have a lot of bags, lots and lots of bags. Oh yeah, this one. We got to talk about this
That
one.
one's cute. It
one's
reminds
just
me
cute.
of a little like pumpkin.
Yeah.
I love pumpkins.
It comes with this
Dust bag.
dust bag,
Yeah.
and it does have a little small inside pocket, and it comes with
Dario's
It
trying
comes
to make
with-
it
it
an
comes with-
outside.
it
Dario's
comes
trying to
with
make
the-
it an outside pocket now.
Oh yeah, wow, that's a magnet. Wow, I didn't know.
It
It's
has
pretty
a
cool.
snap magnetic
Yeah.
closure.
You can hear it. See? I'm not making the noise. No, it's just there.
I don't think they thought that was you. Okay. Dario's easily amused.
No, I mean it's pretty cool. But this is a collector. I mean, I don't know. This is just like a bag that I don't know. How do you would wear it? Like,
It's just a top handle bag, so
Okay.
you could. I would say most people would probably just carry it by the top handle, or they would put it on like this part of their
Yeah, yeah.
forearm. at the crook
It's-
of my
yeah.
arm, and then
It's very nice.
yeah,
The color
it's
is beautiful.
cute. I think it's a great bag for
Mhm.
fall. Like
Yes.
as we head into fall here in another month or two.
Mm.
I think this bag is really cute. You can
Yeah.
take it to like the pumpkin patch
Yep.
and take pictures
Anyways.
of it with the pumpkins.
Yeah, this is the bags that we like, or we have, you know, that we just decided to show today.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm
They
very
kind
happy
of
for
look
that.
like Halloween now with
Yeah,
the black
like
and
pumpkin.
orange. Like
you look like a peach or something like
A
that.
peach?
Like
peaches are usually pink. This is orange, right?
yeah, well, yeah, yeah. You look like pumpkin. Yeah,
Yeah.
like a witch with a pumpkin. Like a witch with a pumpkin.
Yeah, we're getting ready for fall already, as you can
Yeah,
tell.
she's trying to fly in a broom. Is that what you're trying to say?
No.
Oh, okay, Dr. Espinosa. Okay, I gotta go. Hey, is it going to say goodbye? Yeah.
Is there any other
No.
bags you want to share?
We have this one,
Oh yeah,
this little tiny one. I don't know if you have posted yet, Dawn.
I have it.
This is very cute. I like it. It has a hand tag, and yeah. So and then it comes with how can you wear this? Just like I think like this
Yeah, that's right.
or something. I don't know. Just you wear it. So it doesn't do it.
It's just you sling it over your shoulder.
Oh, nice.
a
But it
sling
looks more
bag.
like that. No, it looks more like it has to be like that. Right, standing. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
it doesn't look.
We don't.
like
We
that.
just sell it. We don't know how to wear it.
You turn around, like, yeah, it used to be standing like that, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I used to like it. I don't know why I like it. I really like it.
Yeah. Well, you found this bag, and you're the one
Yeah.
that brought it into
Yeah.
our store. So
Yeah, it's really,
Daria really likes it.
yeah. It's
This
just like
one-
somebody just bought it and like, it comes with the original
Little-
price tag.
What does the price tag say? It was sold on.
Kosh, Bixby,
It was
an
sold on
outlet,
QVC.
QVC outlet. I don't know what QVC.
It's like a home shopping network. So
Nice.
they must have sold vintage Coach
Yeah,
back in the
it's
day.
pretty good.
Yeah. So anyway, the Bixby Sling bag. Okay, so those were a few of Dario's favorite vintage Coach bags that we have at the moment. I will leave a link below to each bag in the description box if you wanted to look at them further. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you for watching.
Yeah, and take care. We'll see you in our next video.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.